In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall unsent sent email in Outlook. Before we start, a quick note on how this feature works. Message Recall is designed for the classic desktop version of Outlook on Windows and generally works best when you and your recipients are in the same Microsoft 365 or Exchange organization and using Outlook for Windows. It can only remove messages that haven't been opened yet, and results can vary based on recipient settings, rules, or if the message was moved out of the inbox. With that in mind, let's walk through it clearly. First, open Outlook Classic and head to your Sent Items folder. This is where Outlook stores messages you've already sent. Find the specific email you want to recall. Next, double-click that message so it opens in its own window. This part is important. The recall options won't be available if you only preview the email in the reading pane. You need the message in a separate window for the next menu to appear. With the message window open, go to the File tab, choose Info, then click Resend or Recall, and select Recall this message. Outlook will present two choices. You can delete unread copies of the message, which simply attempts to pull back the original email. Or you can delete unread copies and replace with a new message. Choose this if you want to correct text, fix an attachment, or add missing details. If you select the Replace option, Outlook will open the original message for editing so you can make your changes before it's sent as the replacement. Before you proceed, check the box labeled Tell me if recall succeeds or fails for each recipient. This lets Outlook notify you of the outcome so you know whether the original message was successfully recalled. When you're ready, click OK. If you chose to replace the message, make your edits in the window that opens and finalize the updated content. Outlook will handle sending the replacement to any recipients whose original copy is still unread. A few helpful tips as you use Recall. Acting quickly improves your chances, since Recall only works on unread copies. If recipients are outside your organization, using other mail apps, or if they've already read or moved the message, Recall may not succeed. Your notifications will summarize what happened for each recipient so you have full visibility. That's the process. Take a moment to practice on a test message so you're comfortable with the flow. Thanks for watching.